Personal Finance 101, everything you need to know in 2025. Let me ask you something. If you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you survive without a paycheck? 1 week, 1 month, or maybe not even a single day? The truth is, most people today are one emergency away from financial disaster. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. In 2025, with inflation, rising costs, and a rapidly changing financial world, having a solid grasp of personal finance isn't just important, it's essential. And today, I'm going to break it all down for you, from the basics of budgeting to the smart strategies for investing, saving, and building long-term wealth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your money and set yourself up for financial freedom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting guide to mastering money in the modern world. Personal finance often feels overwhelming, filled with jargon and complex strategies. But it doesn't have to be. This video is your ultimate guide to Personal Finance 101 in 2025, a simple yet powerful roadmap to managing money, avoiding financial traps, and building a life of security and freedom. So let's get into it. Number 1, why personal finance matters. In 2025, personal finance has always been important, but in 2025, the game has changed. Inflation rates, the rise of digital banking, AI-powered investing tools, and even crypto-based opportunities mean you need to stay sharp. If you don't have a plan for your money, someone else does, and it usually benefits them, not you. That's why building a strong financial foundation right now is critical. Number 2, the golden rule of money. There's one timeless rule that drives all personal finance: spend less than you earn and invest the difference. It sounds simple, but most people fail at this because they don't track their spending. That's why the very first step in personal finance is awareness. You need to know where your money is going before you can take control. Number 3, budgeting the blueprint of wealth. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself, it's about directing your money. In 2025, digital tools will make it easier than ever. Apps like YNAB, Mint, and AI-driven platforms can analyze your spending habits and build smart budgets for you. A classic method is the 50-30-20 rule: 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. But if you really want to accelerate your savings, tweak it to 50-20-30, with 30% going to investments and savings. This single adjustment can set you years ahead financially. Number 4, building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical bills pop up, jobs disappear. Without an emergency fund, these moments turn into disasters. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. In 2025, many online banks are offering 4 to 5% interest on savings, which means your emergency fund is not only safe, but also working for you. Number 5, mastering debt the smart way. Debt is like fire. Controlled, it can cook your food. Uncontrolled, it burns down your house. High-interest debt, especially credit card balances, can destroy your finances. In 2025, average credit card interest rates are over 20%. That's money you're giving away every single month. Use strategies like the Debt Avalanche Method. Pay off the highest interest debt first, or the Debt Snowball Method. Start with the smallest balances for psychological wins. The key is consistency. Number 6, credit score your financial report card. Your credit score is more important than you think. It affects your ability to buy a house, get a car loan, or even qualify for certain jobs. In 2025, lenders are stricter than ever, and a bad score can cost you thousands in extra interest payments. Pay bills on time, keep credit utilization under 30%, and avoid opening too many new accounts. A strong credit score is like a VIP pass in the financial world. Number 7, saving and investing. The growth engine. Saving money keeps you safe. Investing money makes you wealthy. In 2025, investing has never been more accessible. You can start with as little as $10 using apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or even robo-advisors powered by AI. The golden rule of investing is simple. Start early, stay consistent, and think long-term. Index funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts like IRAs or 401ks remain powerful tools. And if you're into alternative investments like crypto or real estate crowdfunding, make sure it's less than 10% of your portfolio. Balance is everything. Number 8, retirement planning. Yes, even in your 20s. Most people think retirement is something to worry about in their 40s or 50s. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Thanks to compound interest, every dollar you save in your 20s is worth 3 to 4 times more than a dollar saved in your 40s. In 2025, retirement planning is not optional, pensions are rare, and Social Security isn't guaranteed. If you want freedom later, you have to plan now. Number 9, the new trends of 2025 in personal finance. Personal finance in 2025 looks different than even 5 years ago. AI-driven budgeting apps, decentralized finance, fractional real estate investing, and side hustles powered by automation are becoming mainstream. But don't get lost in the noise. The core principles haven't changed. Spend wisely, save consistently, invest smartly. Use new tools, but never abandon the fundamentals. Number 10, mistakes to avoid in 2025. Before we wrap up, let's cover the biggest money mistakes people are still making in 2025. Living paycheck to paycheck without a budget. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes online. Ignoring retirement planning because it feels too far away. Carrying high-interest debt. Failing to invest because of fear. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and you're already ahead of 80% of people. So that's Personal Finance 101. Everything you need to know in 2025. We covered the essentials: budgeting, saving, debt management, credit, investing, retirement, and even the new trends shaping money this year. The truth is, personal finance isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Every small step you take compounds into something bigger over time. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and drop a comment below telling me which part of personal finance you're going to work on first. Remember, money is a tool, and when you master it, you unlock freedom, security, and opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.